Alright, so what I want to do next is I want to add our emergency spillway at the end of this pond here. So again, multiple ways that I can do this. I'm just going to show you some tools here using the lines command for elevating this data. So I'm going to start by drawing a couple polyline or a couple line strings, and we're just going to call this spillway, and we'll go ahead and leave it on the breakline layer. That's fine. I'm going to click OK, and I'm just going to go from this point to this point. We'll start a new one, and I'll go from here to here. And then I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to do an offset. So I'll go to CAD, we'll do an offset, and again, spillway, we will keep those there. Our offset distance, we're going to go over 2, and we're going to drop it down -2. So I'm just going to go in here, make sure we're going to this side, and I'll click apply. Then I'm going to pick this line, and we're going to make sure that we're going to this side, and I'll select apply there. Okay. So then what we're going to do is we're going to take these lines and we're going to intersect. So I'm going to go to data prep, pick the elevate lines command. I'm going to use the intersecting line. The lines that I want to intersect with are going to be these lines here. The lines that I want to actually elevate are going to be these. So I'm going to pick those. And we'll click apply. So now you can see that it's elevated them to these lines. Now we've got a couple high spots because we got some points in here, so we got to do a little bit of editing. I'm just going to come in, I'm going to join this line with this one. Then we'll go ahead and get rid of that high. So what I can do is edit this line. You can see that the horizontal doesn't have a high spot, but if I go to vertical, there is one. So I'm just going to remove that VPI. So it's going to click here, and we'll get rid of, oops, I want this one. Let's get rid of that VPI there. Okay. Then we'll come over here, and we want to get rid of that VPI as well. So we'll make sure we're at that point. We'll get rid of that one, and now we've got that one removed. Now we also have to get rid of these lines that are those projection lines that we have. So we're going to delete those. Make sure we delete this one as well. And then we can simply come in and rebuild the surface, and it should accommodate for our spillway. So now you can see we've put in our spillway into our pond.